Motley Patriot here. So we are in a restaurant in West Palm Beach, and what's interesting is we now have, and I'm sorry about the low lighting, but it's all about the ambiance. Anyway, this is always this thing about sweet and sour chicken. What makes an interesting sweet and sour chicken? Most of them, the recipes are really kind of just chicken, vinegar, and sweet corn syrup sauce or something. But here's a recipe that is interesting. You've got the fried breaded chicken, but you've also got pineapple. You've got red pepper, green pepper, scallions, just all kinds of things going on. Fried onion, and so with your red sweet and sour sauce on top. And then, of course, we got brown rice and jasmine tea, but let's give it a shot. But yeah, last time I seen a recipe like this was back in my young days in Kansas at the China Inn over there in Topeka, Kansas back in the day. So there you go. Sweet and sour chicken, Motley Patriot. Get your feedback on.